So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your site and make changes to the home page and pages. This is you'll be your login. Once you log in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, you're able to access every page, every post, keep track of sales, and all that good stuff. So the easiest way to do this, if you visit the site, once you're logged in, you're gonna see there's a black bar up here. That will allow you to edit the pages. So for instance, let's say we want to add a bullet point or change the text on this banner. Once you're on the home page or the page you want to edit, simply click Edit Page from the top black bar, and it'll take you to that page to edit. Now, the way I built this site was very easy to use. Okay, I was using the Visual Composer, and the frame of the site is very straightforward, which I love. For instance, here you will see here's the video, here's the bullet points, here's the heading. If you simply want to make changes to it, if you hover your mouse over any of the boxes, it's going to allow you to make changes. Simply click on the edit pencil, and from here, as you can see, it's just your standard um, format. So you can simply change the text here. Change text here. Oh, you get the point. From here, you can make certain things bold, italic, or whatever. Change color, add more bullet points, more text here, and then obviously you could change the color of text. If you don't see this bar, make sure you click on this bar. If yours looks like this, simply click here, and the more options will show. Now, once you're done making those changes, make sure to hit Save Changes. As you can see, the changes were taken into effect. Simply always update to make those changes go live. In this instance, with the YouTube videos at, for instance here, I will click on the pencil, and all it is here, I just copy the YouTube emblem code that YouTube gives you, and I simply paste it here. I'm using a 560 by 315, which is the default YouTube size. Of course, you could change it to any other size you want. Here's the button. For example, it says you can't see the text because it's in white. It's on white, color white. Simply click the text tab, and you can see the code here and the text. So, for instance, try to avoid touching the text here, the code here. So just simply change the text here to whatever you want before the bracket. So now, if you really want to change the color, you will highlight everything and then change the color to whatever color you want. Again, once you're done making changes, hit save. The button's very easy, straightforward as well. Here is the text that the button will say. Simply change it. One of the most important things is here, where you want that button to click to. So once someone clicks on it, it's currently redirecting that visitor to the shopping cart to purchase the membership. Okay, you will simply change the text here, the link here, and of course the target. You want that to open a new window or same window. Always same window for this type of stuff. Again, once you make changes, hit save. So if you scroll down, here again is the little circles. Um, Again, if you want to change the icon of that circle, click the edit pencil, and here's some of the icons you could select from. So change it here, and then again, here's the text for the four steps. Simply click on that what I like about this is just click on any box, and as you can see, the sites is just designed the way that the home looks. So change the text here. Okay. Once you scroll down again, you got the image. Let's say you want to change the image. Simply click the edit pencil, and here just click the X, and then it will upload you could select another image from your media library, or you could simply select one from your desktop or wherever you store that file. And then once you select the image, all you're gonna do is once you select the image, you would click on the set image, the blue button right at the bottom right. Once you do that, the image will go here. You don't need to mess with any of the other changes. All the settings have been set, but of course, um, if you're comfortable, you go ahead and change those changes. Once you scroll down on here with the happy client for the testimonials, I'll get on that in another video. But all you simply do is if you edit, we'll just do it really quick. As you can see, here's the text, the name of the testimonial, a company. You can put a company's name or leave it off, and then of course an avatar. Just again, click on the X or hit the plus to add a new image. To add another one, simply click this one here. This will control the number of items. So, okay. And then you click here, we'll do number 2. Now if you want to add another, you will click here and it will add another testimonial and so forth. And then you just click on the one you want and then you edit for that testimonial. So, okay. Some of these changes here you don't need to mess with. Some of the revisions. What I like to do, because you're not going to mess with the page settings, the revisions, comments, or the slider, you could just simply scroll all the way up, go to screen options, and then remove it from here. So uncheck it. So, okay, like for example, the slider, comments. And what that does is just eliminates some of the stuff that you have on the home page. So for instance, let's say this page is for paying customers only. You would simply click here and add the new rule. And basically what will happen is this page will be restricted to members only. Okay, we'll go on that a little bit further. So once you make these changes, always hit update for the changes to go up into effect. So let's go ahead and visit the site. And again, to make changes to a particular page, just simply go into the page you want and click edit. Okay, so if you want to replace this image, you will go with edit. And again, here's the image. Simply click the pencil and remove the image. I will send you an email with the image sizes that is recommended. Here is the text for the contact page. So if you want to change the text, the headline, here's where you do it. Okay. Now let's go with that. The same way I made the changes to the contact page is about and the frequently asked questions. The resources, it's a lot easier as well. For instance, let's say you want to change the link where this is going. Simply click the edit page. And as you can see, here's your banner. So if you want to change the text, click here. If you want to add the video, here's where you will change. For example, watch welcome video. Okay, here's the link that you will paste to the video. Now, what I can do is I can make it where it's a pop-up video. So once you click on it, a video will pop up and display. This only works with certain type of videos like YouTube videos. So here's the section for the banner. If you scroll down, here is the section for the 3 boxes that we have. Now, to make the image clickable, you have to scroll down and see where it says open custom link. Simply click the link wherever you want that image to go to. So for instance, when they click on that page, it's currently going to the Facebook Learning page. So just make sure it's the links here and the same window. Okay. Same thing if you want to make the title clickable. Same thing, just make sure the URL is there and it's on the same window. And again, here's a text for the title right below the image. So you can simply just change it to whatever you want. And here's the link where you would change it. Okay. And then once you're done, again, once you're done making changes, hit save. The only things you want to make clickable are the image and the title, not the text block. Okay. So again, if you want to change the text, here you do it from. And that's it pretty much. Notice like the resources page, this one's only restricted to members. So as you scroll down, you will see that it says this is for VIP members only. So if there was nothing, I'll show you. I'll create one right now to show you. Well, again, once you're done making those changes, hit update, and you're back to. You go back to the home page or the page and see how it works. So for instance, if I click here, again, same process. Let's say, for example, this one's not clickable yet. Let's say you want this one to be a PDF file, okay? When someone clicks on it, I want it to take me to a PDF file. Now, a PDF file, I do recommend that it opens in a new window. So what we can do is, we're just going to go media, add new. I'm going to open it in a new window, just so I can show you. First, what I recommend is to upload the PDF file. So you can either drag it or simply select it from your files. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just uploading the PDF file, and then I click the edit pencil just to get the URL. So here's the URL for my PDF file. It's either this one or this one, same thing. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to this section. Okay, I'm going to make the image so when someone clicks on it, a PDF file opens. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go with this on-click action. I'm going to go open custom link. Okay, and here's where I will paste that URL I got from uploading in the media. So now here, because this is a PDF file and not a page, I will click link direct link target to a new window. Okay, save. Again, I'll just do the title as well. So I'll select here, and I'll just paste my link, and I will click here, open link in a new tab. Okay, set, and then I'll just save changes, and then I will update. So now when I visit the site and someone clicks on create a Facebook page, it will be, what the site's going to do is going to create the PDF file is going to appear on a separate tab. So once I click on it, see what happened? Here's my PDF file, and I'm still on the same page. It just opened a new tab for my PDF file. Okay, so again, I click on the title, and a PDF file opens. That's why it's always important for PDF files or anything like that to open a new tab. Therefore, they could just click and print or save it on their desktop or whatever. So they never leave your site. Okay. So again, let's say you want to make changes to the post. Again, just click on edit post, and I'll show you how to create a new one shortly. And that's normal. You will simply, if you wanted to add a YouTube video, basically just paste the YouTube URL, and the site will automatically pull the video and post it. So it'll look something like this, and then your text is right below this. So let's say, for example, we want to do a new one. If we go all post, so this is where you want to use to create private or restricted content. So either you go hit add new or add new up here. Either one takes you to the same spot. Okay, so here obviously you'll put your title, testing, and test. I'm just writing. Now, it just tells you what category. I will normally put VIP resources. And then on the bottom, it's where I will select a plan. Because right now, this means that anyone can see it. Okay? So what we can do is we're going to add a new rule, meaning that only VIP members have access to this. Okay, so that's it. By me selecting add the new rule, this shows that's only for members only. So I will hit publish. And now when I go to the page, here's my new page. Now let's say I wanted to add this page to one of the resources. So I will simply, again, now that I created that post and I have my link, I could just go back here and use that link to maybe another section. Like for example, I could make this clickable to go to this text. Remember, you will edit the image link and the link on the title, and then just replace it with the post that you created. Now we could see this because we're logged in, but if you were not logged in, you will get the error message saying that you need to purchase. For example, I'm opening that same page on a different browser, and as you can see, it's saying obviously that to gain access, they need to subscribe. Now, the reason why it shows a little bit of text because it's just like a tease. So it will show, I believe, the first 200 characters, and then after that, it just blocks it. So it just says, hey, you need to gain access to this. Either log in if you're a member, or if you want to purchase it, I could simply click VIP access, and it'll take me to the shopping cart to sign up, and then from there, I'm able to, purchase it. It tells me what the price is. If you have a discount code, it'll go here, and it tells me that for the first month it's going to be $14.95, and my next renewal will be on September 25. Okay, so then obviously if you proceed to checkout, you will get all the good details. It'll tell you if you have a code, if you're a returning customer, click here to log in, and then obviously the billing information. And here is where they will create a password for the login, and then sign up. The process is really simple. It may look like a lot, but you can fill this out within a minute or two. And then obviously once you sign up, it will take you to the PayPal to collect payment. Okay. So now we're back to the same page. So again, we're going to go back. Now the restriction applies to posts and pages. So we go to the all pages. Now here's the same pages. Like for example, here's the contact page. You can edit it from here, but the easiest is just to edit from the home page by clicking on the edit button. It's just a lot easier. It's a shortcut, but here is the same thing. So for instance, if we wanted to add a new page, you again same layout. Scroll down, add plan, add new rule, and that's it. It already added to the VIP. So meaning that this will be restricted. Now you can have multiple different plans. So for instance, if we had another lower, cheaper plan, let's say, and this is only for exclusive VIP and not for the basic plan, you will be able to select which plan you want this page or post to be available to which plan. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, this will complete the first video. The next video will be about the membership, how to add new members.